YouTube overwhelm? Been there. As a researcher, I spend ages scrolling for the good stuff, so I thought, why not share the gems? I'm Mike, and on this channel, I skip the fluff and go straight to videos I found most valuable. In this episode, we're covering the best videos on YouTube automation. Get ready to watch that. First of all, you've got to check out this YouTube automation tutorial by Dave Nick. If you don't know him yet, Dave built multiple channels that generate thousands of dollars every month, and his main channel is currently at 885,000 subscribers, so he knows what he's talking about. In this video, Dave breaks down exactly how to grow and scale a YouTube automation channel to hit that sweet $10,000 a month mark. He covers the basics for beginners and shares advanced strategies for those who already know a thing or two about YouTube automation. One of the most important things you'll learn is how to choose the right niche. He'll walk you through a step-by-step process for picking a profitable niche and shares his top recommendations, like luxury, real estate, investing, and business. But that's not all. Dave also gets into building your team, creating content, and making money from your channel through AdSense, affiliate marketing, brand deals, and digital products. Whether you want to do it all yourself or outsource the work, he's got you covered with valuable insights and resources. So, if you're ready to start a YouTube automation business without the stress of clients, inventory, or paid ads, this guide is exactly what you need. Learn from people on YouTube who's walked the walk and built multiple successful channels in various niches. Next up, an awesome video from Isabella at Baddie in Business. She's put together a free course that shows you exactly how to start a successful faceless YouTube channel using AI. And get this, her channel has over 1 million subscribers, so you're learning from one of the best ones out there. In just 26 minutes, Isabella covers everything you need to know, from picking a niche to creating videos, growing your channel, and making money. She also covers the InVideo AI tool that generates quality videos for you based on simple text prompts. Here's what you'll learn: how to choose a profitable niche, how to create engaging videos with AI craft, irresistible thumbnails and titles, ways to optimize your channel for growth and promote your videos on social media, how to monetize your channel through ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. With her insider tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving faceless YouTube channel. So, if you want to take advantage of her knowledge and experience to hopefully start earning some serious cash, you've got to watch this video. Isabella breaks it all down in a way that's easy to understand and apply, no matter your experience level. Trust me, this video course is an opportunity you don't want to miss. We've already covered why picking a niche is crucial, so another gem from Baddie in Business fits here perfectly. In this one, she drops knowledge on 30 profitable niche ideas for starting a faceless YouTube channel. In this 27-minute video, you'll learn about a wide range of money-making niches, from AI news to cooking, tech, math, sports, mental health, and real estate. Real examples of successful channels in each niche and how much they're earning monthly. Practical tips on creating content that resonates well with our audience. But wait, there's more. Isabella stresses the importance of understanding your target audience and why creating content that resonates with them is crucial for your success. That, in combination with her top tips on creating videos that viewers will appreciate, will give you a chance to stand out from the crowd and keep your viewers coming back for more. Isabella reminds us that it's possible to use AI tools like InVideo to create videos that can make you money in less than 5 minutes, even if you're a total noob at editing. She walks you through the process, making it super easy to follow. She also tackles some common questions, like whether AI-generated content can be monetized and how to avoid churning out the same videos as everyone else. With Baddie in Business's insider tips and powerful AI tools, you'll be well on your way to creating a profitable YouTube automation channel in no time. Trust me, this video is worth watching. Next on the list is an in-depth YouTube keyword research tutorial from Youri van Hofwegen, a creator with over 116,000 subscribers. In this in-depth 1-hour video, Youri breaks down the exact 3-step strategy he uses to rank his videos #1 in YouTube search results. You'll learn how to find the right keywords that you can actually rank for, even if you're just starting out. He shares his process for qualifying keywords to determine if they are worth pursuing, based on search volume and competition. He also reveals his secrets for optimizing your video's title, description, and tags to maximize your chances of ranking #1. Throughout the tutorial, Youri provides actionable advice from his experience uploading over 5,000 videos that generate around 100,000 views per day. He shows examples from his own successful channels, some of which have over 135 million views and have earned over $500,000 in ad revenue. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with YouTube, this tutorial will level up your keyword research skills. I chose to feature it because his systematic approach is perfect for getting your videos discovered in search. Apply his techniques, and you can start getting consistent views and subscribers, even in competitive niches. In terms of valuable knowledge, this is literally a golden hour. Alright, you've got to check out this video by Biaheza, a YouTuber with over 1.36 million subscribers. In this one, he runs an experiment to show that YouTube success isn't just about chance. Biaheza creates an anonymous automated channel called Sigma Financial that focuses on business and finance. He wants to prove that you can build a successful YouTube business without even showing your face or sharing your voice. He goes through the entire process, from coming up with video ideas to scripting, getting voiceovers, and editing. He even tries to get extra exposure by making videos about popular business creators' success stories. And guess what? It worked! His first video on Jordan Welch gets over 7,000 views and 100 subscribers in just 3 months, all organically. A second video on Sebastian Gheorghiu also starts gaining traction fast. So, what will you learn from this video? You'll see that YouTube automation is a real thing. You can create a successful channel without being famous. Well-researched content, planning, and consistency are key. If you're planning to start your own YouTube channel or you're just curious about how it all works, go watch this one. Biaheza's example shows that anyone can succeed on YouTube with the right strategies and execution. Next on the list, we have a video from Dar Lucey, a creator with 19,000 subscribers. In this 9-minute video, Dar shares his experience trying out Faceless YouTube Automation for 300 days and the valuable lessons he learned along the way. Dar breaks down the key components of success on YouTube, which he discovered by starting and running multiple faceless channels. He provides details about the money spent and earned on each channel, showcasing the importance of having a clear destination in mind before building your YouTube presence. Dar explains the difference between playing the YouTube empire game and the YouTube automation game, emphasizing how important it is to build a long-term audience and leverage it for a business, service, or product. He stresses the need to have a clear goal before starting a YouTube channel to avoid wasting time and resources. By watching this video, you'll gain insights into the challenges and opportunities of faceless YouTube automation, as well as the importance of having a well-defined purpose for your channel. Dar is honest about his successes and failures and will help you make informed decisions. I chose to highlight this video because Dar's experience provides valuable lessons for aspiring YouTube creators. If you're curious about the potential of faceless YouTube automation, use the link in the description and go watch this one. This not long video is worth your while. Next up is a video from Drell Jones, a creator with 246,000 subscribers. In this one, Drell shares his experience automating a YouTube channel for a whole year and the lessons he learned along the way. One major lesson is the value of using platforms like Instagram to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Drell credits this as a key reason his channel grew rapidly. He recommends diversifying your content strategy and not boxing yourself into one format or schedule. What you'll learn. The exact steps Drell took to set up his automated channel, choosing a niche, building a team, creating content, and analyzing performance, key stats, and leveraging other social media platforms to drive traffic. The importance of having a strong team, and tips for finding talented creators on Upwork. Why studying successful channels in your niche is crucial to understanding what content works. If you want to learn from someone with proven experience in YouTube automation, definitely check this video out. Drell breaks down his journey transparently with practical, valuable advice and keeps it real by sharing both wins and struggles, making it an engaging watch.